Hey BladeOps, today we're checking out the steel wheel Apostate flipper, and we just started carrying the steel wheel line. Excited to see how the community kind of responds to it. And up till now, they've sold very well. And it's been interesting to see the kind of change in some of the Chinese manufacturing. There's been a lot of products, over the years that were just inexpensive, cheap, that came from China, and there still are. But lately there's been some knife companies that have kind of stepped their game up. You know, Riat Knives has been out there, and they're making knives for people like Leon Ma and Todd Bag Knives. So really high quality stuff. Steel Will, I would say, maybe is a slight step down from the Riat Knives, if I'm being honest. But as far as materials go, they are very, very nice. Let's take a look at the Apostate flipper. This is a titanium back scale, G10 top, and a S35VN steel. So they're using the high-end materials that you'd expect on a nice folder. This is a larger knife. You can see it there in my hand. Fills up my hand really well. As far as price goes on the Apostate, $148.99, that's shipping and everything included. Other quick specs, it is a plus 4-inch blade, so just over 4 inches of the S35VN and a solid 6.17 ounces. As far as the action goes, it's really smooth. I mean, something that you'd expect on a $150 folder. So, dual-sided thumb studs, spine flipper. This comes in the Tanto blade and also the drop point. There's a good look at the scale on the back. There's a good look at the lockup. Got a nice functional pocket clip that rides on the frame, not on the lock bar, which is always nice. Doesn't put any added pressure on that lock bar to open and close the knife. Zero side to side play, zero up and down play. Really a rock solid knife. There's another look at the lockup. Nice early lockup. Open design. So there's kind of a quick demo of the steel wheel Apostate flipper. I think this is going to be a great kind of everyday carry style blade. You know, it's really going to come down to, do you trust kind of the brand and the manufacturing? I think people are going to accept it, of course, for what it is. I mean, if you're dead set on American-made knife, there's plenty of options out there. It's going to be more expensive if you have a titanium back, you know, G10 and S35VN steel. I think you're going to be about $100 more, give or take, depending, you know, kind of in the zero tolerance range. But I think there are people that are going to say, hey, I'll take a steel wheel, I'll try it, and I think they're going to like it. So comment down below. I'd love to hear kind of your opinion on steel wheel as a brand, and the Apostate flipper. They've made some other knives that are popular, the Bruiser, and some really cool fixed blades. So there's your demo. Check it out. BladeOps.